Hello to the futures!
Hello to the future. Hello to the future.
I'm so happy and I'm very grateful seeing you guys again here in my channel. So to those who haven't subscribed yet, please do click this red button and ring the bell to get notified for my coming vlogs. So since the weather here is a bit cold here in Dubai, it's the best time to go for outdoor activities and adventures. During weekends, some of the people here in Dubai would love to escape from the city life. Some would go for a road trip or camping or hiking or mountain climb to the other Emirates. So here is our DIY beach shore camping in Saraya Island, Ras Al Khaimah. Since none of us owned a car, well, just be chillax and ayaw uguul-guul. Kay even kami wa mi car, we still managed to go there. So this camping was organized by one of my friends. Shout out Rinagen! We rented a 14-seater van and it's an all-in package for pickup and drop-off from Dubai and to that island. We departed Thursday night around 10 p.m. and then we reached there in Saraya Island almost 12 midnight. It is because we got lost and thanks to Google Maps, we were able to locate the exact location. So here is a guide also for you when you are the van. It cost only 600 dirhams and it was equally divided by us, so we are 13. Pila man ha? Basta 600 divide 13, so 50 dirhams, almost 50 dirhams each. Then plus our food contribution, because food is lighter. All in all, we contributed almost 100 dirhams each. So okay kayo. Diba, so easy, and it's not necessarily to have our own car for that trip or for that adventure or camping. So all in all, that night under the stars, the moon, in the island was full of fun, laughters, store-bought, bonding moments, music, barbecue party, and we have also this Atala dance challenge in the cool breeze of February. So let's go and explore the island and hope you will love the place as much as we do. And let's go!
Oh, come on, man.
Nagpauling-uling din eh.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned, now I'm up all night.
Ano yung kon?
Isa is pwede mangahon na nagsugod. Tulong ka! Binetas luwanan na
Tables have turned.
Nabasa tayo.
Let me chill. Now I can't catch my breath. When you say my name, I feel tight in my chest. Can't handle the space. I need you here by my side. You make me smile in the coldest of nights. Yeah, I had control in the driver's seat,